I'm Jason with Hatfield RV, and today we're going to go over the '05 Fleetwood Bounder 38N. This is a triple slide unit on a Freightliner chassis. Should have the 5.9 Cummins, which is over 300 horsepower. This is a common rail engine, very reliable. We have no maintenance issues out of them. Should have the 6-speed Allison. If you notice on the compartment doors on the bottom of the slide, it does come out with the slide, which is a nice feature, so you're not hitting your head there. That is a 10-gallon hot water heater that you're seeing right there. Obviously, it's diesel. All Freightliner chassis are going to come with a hitch. They're using that 5 to 7,500 pound tow capacity, usually a class 3 hitch. Nice coach. This is a half paint coach, so the bottom doors are painted. It does have decals above the doors. They do appear to be in good shape. It doesn't appear to be faded, dried, cracked for the age of the coach. It should come with a 7,500 Onan diesel generator. Not sure of the hours. This is a good floor plan because of the couches. It's got an opposing couch floor plan. Great sleeping. It should sleep 6 people. Gives you a lot of open space there. It's got day-night shades there. One thing that we do is we guarantee a number of systems on this unit to work. So we go through it very thoroughly. Usually takes us 1 to 2 weeks after we get a deposit to make sure everything's in working order. It's probably easier to explain the things that we don't cover. It does have that 10 cubic foot fridge there. It's a nice side-by-side fridge, 24-inch oven, nice deep oven, solid surface countertops, undermount sink. The microwave we will fix there. Both Bounders we've gotten in. The microwave's been kind of coming down there. It does come with a washer-dryer combo. Split bath, which gives you a lot of space in your bathroom. Both doors close it off, so you're not tight for bathroom space. It does have a slide in the bedroom, and there's a ton of storage with a diesel. Obviously, with any diesel coach, the main selling features is the air ride, the air brake, and then just the engine being in the back gives you a much more quieter ride. Very, very pleasurable destination. That is a one-piece shower enclosure. Again, we guarantee all that stuff to be in working condition when you pick it up. And yeah, it's just a great coach overall. A lot of natural light, a lot of large windows, great neutral cabinetry in it. There is storage under that bed. And then there's engine access back there in the closet. A lot of people, what they'll do on this year coach is they'll update the TVs. They'll put LCDs or flat screens of some type in there, and then you can always get smart TVs, which is nice because if a campground's got Wi-Fi, you can always upgrade there. Just make sure to check us out at hatfieldrv.com or on Facebook at Hatfield RV, and thanks for watching.